Hello everyone, I am Neha back with my new video on topic HCF. Before we start the video, I would like that you all like and share my video and also subscribe my channel to get the updates of my new video. So in last video, we have talked about the HCF method by prime factorization method. In this, we will talk about division method, but first we will recall the prime factorization method with taking an example. So in this example, we have to find out the HCF of 80, 96 and 108. So the HCF of 80 will be 80 can be divided by 2, so it will be 40, 20, 10 with 2, then again 5. Now 5 will be divided by 5 only, so it's 1. So factor of 80 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. In this way we will take out the factors of 96 and 108 also. So factors of 96 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And now factor of 108, that will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. You have to find out the factors of 96 and 108 in this method only. Okay, so now we will find out the common factor. The common factors are 2, 3 is not here in 80, 3 is there in 96 and 108, so it will be not the common factor. Now 5 is only in 80, it is not in 96 and 108. So 2 is the only factor which is common in all the three numbers. So the maximum time 2 is occurring in all the factors are 2 times. So factor of HCF of 80, 96 and 108 will be 2 into 2, that is 4. So now we will start HCF by division method. So now we will start the division method. For prime factorization method, if you want the steps and everything in detail, you can see my last video. I will share the link in this video in description box. So in division method, we will start division method with example. We have to find the HCF of 26 and 455. For this, we will follow some certain steps. The step 1 will be, we have to divide the larger number with the smallest, we have to divide the larger number by smaller number. Larger number by smaller number. That is 455 will be divided by 26. So okay, now second step will be, we have to divide divisor by remainder till the remainder are occurring. These steps will be clear when I will start doing the example. Now the step 3 will be, we have to repeat the step 2 till our remainder is 0. Till the remainder becomes 0. And when the remainder will become 0, that will be the our last HCF. the last divisor will become the HCF. So now we will see. We have to divide 455 by 26. So 26 and 455. 26 into 2 will be 52. So we have to divide 26 by 455. We will take 45 and 26 will ones will be 26. So the remainder will be 19 and this 5. 26 can divide 195. Can divide 195. So 26 sevens is 182. Now the remainder is 13. But now the divisor 26 can't divide 13. So 13 will become the divisor and 26 will be divided by 8. 13 2s is 26. So now the remainder is 0. So what is the HCF? The HCF is 13. We will understand it better with one more example. Let's take an example 2 where we will find the HCF of 3 number by division method. So the 3 numbers are, we have to find the HCF of 125, 175 and 225. For it the steps will be same but some is a little bit changed. First we have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. Arrange the number in increasing order. That is 125, 175 and 225. Second step will be, we have to take the smallest two number. We have to take the smallest two numbers from the given numbers. That is 125 and 175, because 225 is bigger than these two numbers. Now we will divide 125 and 175 will be divided by 125. So 125, 175. Now we have to follow the steps of the previous example. 125 ones are 125. The remainder will be 50. Now the remainder will become divisor and 125, the whole divisor, will become the dividend. 50 twos is 100. Remainder is 25. The remainder will become divisor and the last divisor will become the dividend. 25 twos is 50. Now the HCF is 0. So HCF of, sorry, that remainder was 0. HCF of 125 and 175 is 25. Step 3. HCF of 125 and 175 is 25. Now step 3. Step 3 is, now we have to divide the largest number with the HCF of 125 and 175. Divide the largest number, that is 25, largest number, with the HCF of other two numbers. That is, we will divide 225 with by 25. So 25, 225, 25 nines is 225. So 0. So yes, HCF of 125, 175 and 225 is 25. So the HCF of these are 125. I think you are clear with the division method. Now I am giving the questions you for practice. Practice questions, you have to do these questions and you have to see that whether you are clear with your point, figuring out of HCF by prime factorization method and division method. If you face any problem, you can just comment, leave a comment in my comment box and I will do sure solve that problem. Keep subscribing my channel, keep liking it, sharing it will motivate me a lot. So please give me your love.